my Money Monday for you all is SOFI, because it literally went from 31 to 25. Now is a good time to buy into SOFI if I were to be giving you financial advice, but I'm really not giving you financial advice. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Dr. Jemecia-Capri, the Nurse Practitioner Extraordinaire. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're already subscribed, welcome back, y'all. Welcome to another Money Monday. And today I'm just going to tell you guys about some of the stocks that I've already gotten. Well, two of the stocks I've already gotten, but I am establishing a little bit more of a position in them. And I was having brunch with my girls today, and we talked a little bit about money and a little bit about stocks. And one of my girlfriends was like, what do you think about NVIDIA? And I was like, girl, I was just thinking that I needed to put more money into NVIDIA, more shares of NVIDIA. I am looking at making sure that some of my good stocks, that I have at least 100 shares of each of those. And NVIDIA is one of them. The ticker symbol for that is NVDA. That particular company is a tech company, and it's one of the Magnificent Sevens, and it is one of the or the biggest company. Can I say that? The biggest company in the S&P 500, or the most powerful, or whatever they say about that. It's that. So I am going to get more of that, but that's really not the one that I came to tell you guys about. I came to tell you about SOFI. SOFI is absolutely one of my favorite companies. I have had a love for SOFI since the stock was like $8. And the reason why I like SOFI is because I have found that a lot of these companies, a lot of these banks and companies like SOFI, or companies like businesses, banks going online, I found that those are what people are gravitating to. And because they're online, solely online, they offer more, which your high yield savings, they offer higher percentages than the credit unions, than the on ground. Why am I saying on ground? I'm thinking school. But you guys know what I mean. Brick and mortar banks and credit unions. So I've been gravitating towards SOFI since I've been studying stocks, and honestly, I've been betting on them for the longest. So they were $8 when I first took a stake in them. Then they went up to like $12, $14, $18, stayed at $18 for a long time, dropped back down like $16. Now they're up to about $25. Last week, honestly, they went up to $31. Now they're back down to $25. But they're a solid company. They are doing really well, and they are adding so many different features to their company right now. The thing that I love is that they're easy. They're easy to understand, easy to use, easy to apply for, and honestly, they are giving the best rates out there, especially for high yield savings. I think right now they may have like a bonus if you put money in now the first 6 months. Instead of 3.2 or 4.2, they bumped it up to like 6 something, but only for the first 6 months. You guys don't quote me on that. Go look it up yourself. But I have been looking at SOFI, like I said, since they were like $4. So they went down, they went up, they went down, they went up. I've sold, I've bought, I've sold, I've bought. But now I'm in the mindset to keep hold of these companies for the long term. And my goal is to get 100 shares of the companies that I really, really love. And then I'm going to do something totally different with my portfolio. And I'll share that with you guys later. But today's video, I want to talk to you about SOFI. So that is what I will be making sure I round off my 100 shares into SOFI this week, and looking at a lot more companies that I will be rounding off into my 100 shares. But that's my goal for 2026, to get the companies that I like, love, and trust 100 shares of each of those. So my Money Monday for you all is SOFI, because it literally went from 31 to 25. Now is a good time to buy into SOFI. If I were to be giving you financial advice, but I'm really not giving you financial advice. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. So this is not financial advice. Okay? Okay. Although one of my girlfriends did say, you know what? If you're buying it, I'm buying it. If it goes up to $1 million, it goes up to $1 million. If it goes down to zero, it goes down to zero. You doing it, I'm doing it. So, but I love that. I love that for her. But anyway, I'm not telling you to do that. I'm just telling you what I do. So that's what I'm doing this week. I hope you guys like this video. Share this video out. And look SOFI up for yourself, because you got to like it. It can't just be me liking it. It's not my money. It will end up being your money if that's the case. But anyway, that's what I'm going to focus on. I love SOFI. I'm going to end up getting way more than 100 shares in the end. But that's what I'm focusing on this week. Guys, I hope you, again, like this video. Share it out. Watch my channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.